Don't scroll. This normal laundry day almost turned into a disaster. Earlier today, panic spread through a home after an orange cat suddenly disappeared inside the laundry room. The curious feline had jumped into an open washing machine drum, and moments later, the door accidentally shut, trapping it inside. Faint meows soon echoed from the machine, sending the owner into a frantic search. Thankfully, the washer was not running. The door was opened within seconds, and the frightened cat was rescued safely. No injuries were reported. Experts remind pet owners to always check appliances before closing them. Tonight, this little explorer is safe and probably still curious as ever.